Hey everyone, I am Surbi from Apptunix. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the biggest questions entrepreneurs in startups ask us all the time. How much does it actually cost to build a food delivery app in 2025? In this video, I'll walk you through everything. The different pricing models, a real-world cost calculation with hourly rates, how AI affects the cost, the phases of building an app, and finally, how you can get started with your own food delivery app. So if you're thinking about building the next Uber Eats, Zomato, or Talabat, make sure you watch this video till the end. For a layman, the most straightforward way of calculating the development cost is. Now let's break that down. Development time is the number of hours it takes to design, code, test, and launch your app. More features is equal to more time. Hourly rate depends on where your developers are located. For example, developers in the US or Western Europe charge $80 to $150 per hour. Eastern Europe, $40 to $70 per hour. India and Southeast Asia, $20 to $50 per hour. So if your app takes 1,000 hours, it could cost as little as $20,000 or as much as $100,000. That's why planning and choosing the right model is so important. Now, in 2025, you have basically got three routes to build a food delivery app. Number one, SaaS platforms. Think of that like renting. You pay $300 to $1,000 per month for access to a pre-built platform. It's fast, but you can't really customize it much. White label solutions. This is like buying a ready-made house and decorating it your way. You get a Zomato or Uber Eats style clone branded for you, faster and much cheaper than starting from scratch. Custom development. Building from the ground up. It takes longer and costs more, but you get exactly what you want, and this is where advanced AI features come in. Now here's the game changer, artificial intelligence. Food delivery apps are no longer just about showing you restaurants. AI is transforming the entire experience. Personalized recommendations. The app learns your taste, order history, even time of the day, and suggests the perfect meal. Dynamic delivery pricing. Prices adjust automatically based on demand, just like search pricing in ride-sharing. Smart route optimization. Drivers get the fastest, AI-optimized routes, saving time and fuel. AI-powered chatbots. Customers get instant answers without waiting for the support staff. But here's the catch. These AI features require extra research, machine learning models, and testing. That means more development time and higher costs. Let's break down what the actual timeline looks like if you go to the custom route. Research and planning. 2 to 4 weeks. Studying your market, competitors, and setting up a roadmap. UI UX design, 3 to 6 weeks. Making sure the app is intuitive and easy to use. Code development, 3 to 6 months. Building the customer app, driver app, restaurant dashboard, and admin panel. Security and compliance, ongoing. Handling payments, user data, and local regulations. Testing and QA, 1 to 2 months, ensuring everything works smoothly across devices. Deployment and launch, 2 to 4 weeks. App Store submission, server setup, going live. Maintenance and updates, ongoing. Continuous bug fixes, updates, and improvements. So realistically, a full-fledged AI-powered food delivery app can take 6 months to a year to build. Now let's talk real numbers. SaaS model. $300 to $1,000 per month. White label food delivery app starting from $4,000. This includes the core features of a Zomato or Uber Eats clone, customer app, driver app, and admin panel. Perfect if you want to launch quickly. Custom built with AI features, $20,000 to $100,000 depending on complexity, team location, and the features you add. So basically, the more advanced the app, the higher the cost. If you're serious about launching your own food delivery business in 2025, Apptunix can help. We provide a white label solution starting at $4,000 with the option to scale up into full custom AI-powered platform. Click the link in the description to schedule a free demo with Apptunix today. Thank you for watching.